Hello there YouTube. Welcome to the Apple TV 4K unboxing. So let's give you the specs. 249 Canadian dollars without tax. Alright, let's start unboxing. Cool. There's a remote. There's the Apple TV. We'll just put the TV right here. Let's put the TV right over here. There's a nice little remote. Looks like there's more in this box. Something under here, but I bet you anything that could be the lightning cable. Looks a little bit of a hard unboxing. Okay, there we go. Here's a lightning cable. Maybe that's a power feed here for the TV itself. Let's get started, says the Apple TV. Here we have our guide. Seems like we got in many languages. There's a power HDMI Ethernet. And of course, we got a couple Apple stickers. I'll be tempted to use these somewhere. Alright, so let's just take out the lightning cable. Cool. Cool. Lightning can just stay up here. You just lift it. And here's our wall adapter. Anything else in the box? Seems pretty safe to say that there is nothing else in the box. Looks like we have a lightning cable. Perfect. The plastic is wrapped off. Thank you for watching unboxing the Apple TV.